Okay, so now trigonometry, finding missing angles. So this is just a little bit different. We do start off with the same procedure where you draw your three triangles. Okay, always when it's trigonometry, get these three triangles drawn and label them. Sunbathing on holiday can always harm the old age. So I've got my three triangles. The second thing to do is to label this triangle like we do. So there's a right angle there, so this will be opposite the right angle, which is the hypotenuse, okay, called H. This side is opposite the angle that we need to find, and that is called O. And the last side we always label last, which is side A, which is adjacent. Now in this case we're finding a missing angle. So in order to find a missing angle, what we have is we be given the length of two sides. Okay, we'll be given the length of two sides. So we've got the opposite and the adjacent. Has that got opposite and adjacent? No. Has that got opposite and adjacent? No. So that's not it. That's not it. Opposite and adjacent? Yes. We're going to use the tan triangle. So the first thing is, let's draw that triangle slightly bigger and fill in all the information we have. So first of all, O. What is O? O is 32. So I'll put in 32 there. A, what is A? A is 25. And then that's all over. And then we've got tan. And what is the angle? Is the one we need to find. I'm going to call it A. Now I need to find tan of A, so I'm going to write it here, tan. So I can write that out here and say, well, that's the same as saying tan of A is equal to that over that. So if I cover up this, I'll get 32 over 25. Okay, now this is where you have to just be a bit careful. This is, so far everything what we've done is very similar to when we did finding the missing side. Now this is the only difference. Now what we got is, in order to find A, we need to take tan to the other side, and the only way we can take tan to the other side by doing a shift. So what you do is you press on your calculator shift, okay, and when you press shift, press tan, you get A equals, and then by pressing shift tan you get tan inverse. Now inverse function has a -1 on the top, then it opens up a bracket, and just use your fraction and do 32 over 25. You type it exactly like that. Can you all do that please? And once you got that, so don't forget shift tan, fraction button, 32 over 25, close bracket, equals. Now you'll get the answer I got in the calculator was 52.001, etc. And you can just leave that as A equals 52 degrees. Now don't forget this is degrees, so you can put a little dot on the top corner identifying that the units here are 52 degrees, not centimeters this time. It's an angle. That's what we just found.